I am very happy with these pants. They have the flare feature at the bottom, which is really in style right now. They're definitely very stretchy and soft and very comfortable. I think that they're really great, not just for exercising, but also just lounge wear. They have this little cross feature here at the top, and that really pulls you in a little bit here on your tummy. It just gives you that little bit of support. Just for reference, I'm 5'11 and 214 pounds, and I'm wearing an extra large. I think that maybe if you like a bigger fit, then you should size up, but if you want it to be nice and tight, then just go with your regular size. They are 95% nylon and 25% spandex. So like I said before, they're nice and stretchy, so they should fit. But the number one most important thing about leggings or athleisure wear of any type is, are they see-through? Do these pass the see-through test? And I am confident to say, yes, they do. They are lightweight yet thick enough where you will not see through the fabric, so you don't have to worry about that at all with these.